Hi, I'm Greg, Vice President of Turpin Communication and the Director of Technology for the Chicagoland chapter of ASTD. I'm joined today by Joe Tota, who is the President-elect of the Chicagoland chapter of ASTD, as well as an Associate Principal at eLearning. Did I get that right?
That's correct.
Okay.
Thanks, Greg.
So thank you for joining me today because we are at the 2013 Chicago eLearning and Technology Showcase here at Northwestern University's School of Law. So thank you for joining me, and I wanted to talk with you about innovation around e-learning and just what's happening over at Cavio. What sorts of projects are you working on, and then further, what's the future hold for e-learning?
Well, I'd like to say that it's a really exciting time in the industry. I think with the evolution of the e-learning authoring tools that are coming out, rapid authoring tools like Storyline and Articulate, it's really changing the industry. And it really gives the power of any instructional designer to be able to create pretty engaging e-learning courses.
Yeah, and what I love about Storyline is the learning curve is really short.
Yeah, some of the things that we're seeing with a user that has maybe a month or two experience is really amazing. But I do want to put a caveat in there. What we find is that when we develop an e-learning program, we look at it from a strategic standpoint.
Okay.
And what we find is that e-learning is not always the answer, and it's only a tool to solve a problem. And as we think about the learning programs that we create, we want to be really conscious of the business benefits that we're trying to deliver, what is the best modality for the learning program, and what's the ROI that we're trying to obtain for our clients.
So you're not just sending out e-learning programs and washing your hands of them. You're starting from the beginning all the way through evaluation.
Yeah, so actually when we think about evaluation and ROI, we really start that in the analysis part of the overall methodology that we use. Really thinking about what's the business case, how are we going to contribute to the business value for the learning solution, and then all throughout analysis, design, and development, all through implementation, how we kind of contributing the learning solution to help deliver business value to our clients.
Okay, excellent. So that sounds great. So look into your crystal ball. What's the future hold for e-learning?
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot more of everyday folks that are typically involved with instructor-led training kind of moving over to the e-learning realm. And with the tools that are available, I see that they're building those capabilities to be pretty good e-learning developers. Mm-hmm. I think it has a lot to do with the technology. I also see that e-learning is becoming more engaging and more widely accepted at organizations. And the ROI on e-learning is fantastic. What we see where clients actually save money by using that delivery medium has been spectacular. But I do want to once again caveat that e-learning is not the only tool, and that certainly there are other solutions, but it should be considered.
Yeah, you're preaching to the choir on that one. So, well, thanks, Joe, for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.